Just a few days ago, the world was shaken by the M7 accident, sparking fresh discussions about the safety of new energy vehicles. This incident exposed a potential misdirection in the research and development of the new energy automotive industry. While consumers are primarily concerned with safety, it appears that manufacturers are more focused on luxury seats and extravagant sound systems. If these luxurious features were converted into automatic unlocking door handles and fire protection for batteries, the damage from accidents could be significantly reduced. Enter Tesla, a company that was introduced to push the progress of the Chinese automotive industry. As the industry's frontrunner, Tesla has driven innovation and development in the field of new energy vehicles. However, there is still a certain gap between domestic new energy vehicles and Tesla. This accident has also highlighted the difference between intelligent driving and autonomous driving. It is hoped that when Tesla's full self-driving system is promoted in China, domestic car manufacturers will recognize the gap with leading brands and strive to catch up. This is also the original intention of introducing foreign businesses. Car safety is always the top concern for consumers. Although luxurious configurations can enhance the comfort and enjoyment of cars, safety is always the primary consideration. It is hoped that the Chinese automotive industry can learn from this accident, prioritize safety, continuously improve technical levels, and provide consumers with safer and more reliable new energy vehicle products. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed about the latest safety features and technologies of new energy vehicles. When it comes to choosing your next vehicle, make safety your priority. Don't just go for the shiny extras, demand the best in safety standards. Because your life and the lives of those you love are worth it. In the wake of recent events, we turn our attention to Mr. Fan Lin, a renowned automotive safety expert, to hear his thoughts on this matter. On April 29, 2024, Mr. Fan Lin expressed his views on the safety of new energy vehicles. First and foremost, he begins, we must acknowledge that new energy vehicles represent the future of the automotive industry. Their advantages in terms of environmental protection and energy conservation are undeniable. However, this does not mean we should overlook their safety. He continues, we have seen from the M7 accident that even the most advanced new energy vehicles can encounter safety issues. This is a wake-up call for the industry. We need to focus on the safety of new energy vehicles, not just their technological advancement or luxury features. Only by prioritizing safety, he concludes, can we truly make new energy vehicles the vehicles of the future. We owe it to ourselves and future generations to ensure that the vehicles we create are not only innovative and sustainable, but also safe. The power of Mr. Fan Lin's words resonate deeply. As consumers, it's our responsibility to heed his advice and demand safety in all aspects of vehicle design and production. The future of the automotive industry is exciting, but let's ensure it's also safe.